None.
I ain't really got that time to waste. And I thought I told you to keep them bums out my face. Looking at you when you're real, it might be nice to cut. Once I split your ass in two, you can just a game.
Okay, let's go.
I truly believe, baby, we can make a difference now.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your